This is the South Jamaica Dancehall TV. Big up.
Hello.
Now today we are speak about Aidonia and Vybz Kartel. King of Dancehall and the Uptown Boss. Now, big up the artist them. We start off by saying that and big up the audience, big up myself anywhere you are listening. Respect for that. Now we are speak about dancehall and the whole hypeness and the entertaining and the whole thing and the relevance and the hit songs and the whole character of being the boss. You know what I'm saying? Like Bridget, I could talk about dancehall right now. Interesting. Smash it like it's some star no? Yeah, that's money. Yeah, from way in the days, you know. We are black as well, you know, the 87 them love to call it. You have to put the run and fight in it. They got runs. Yeah. So, you, whatever. Mm. So since in the forward days there, in the past days there, you know say Adi and Diddy Donia forward from, you know, basically the same camp, you know what I mean? But at the same time, they have history together, you understand? So it's been a very interesting time in the space where remember, you know, bro, and just today, you know, Aidonia just celebrate his 20th anniversary. Big up to Aidonia, you know, big up the fourth channel. Yeah. So this is what me I say right now. And congratulations. Because to stay out in entertainment for so long, 20 years for big respect. Because you have people sit down and just listen to what the next man said. And nobody worry about it. You give credit with all of the hard work and the effort they put in to keep dancehall on a level. It's a collective work, energy, keep dancehall on a level. So always keep that in mind. I'm not one and two person. You understand? Yeah. So did they do him fair share? Cartel I do him fair share. Because every man can only play their role. You understand? They can't expect say Cartel I go play Diddy role and Diddy I go play Cartel role. No. Every man are their own individual. And everybody get accepted completely differently. No, because you have people that bias in everything. No, that already, man. Like, who don't know anything already. He just bias across the board. But if I go ask this, I go ask a question, right? Don't even in the household when you have siblings that get more love than some. That the okay, left that for next subject of them. But I go in the comment section and start worrying at them most of the yes, this so when you get more love than this, I want to go so well, love it. Love it. I can stay away there. For some time now. Audience been waiting for a clash. Which, let's be honest, I'm gonna talk Jeffrey. No, we have to be honest about this now. Right? That clash would have been legendary. Very interesting. Remember now, we talk about Aidonia and Vybz Kartel. Now, throughout the 13 years Mr. Vybz Kartel was incarcerated, a lot of artists could not keep up throughout those times. I can't call Aidonia name on that specific conversation right there. I cannot say Aidonia didn't keep up in dancehall and dropping hits. Are you serious? Are you serious right now? Aidonia Fort Jenna camp was one of the strongest camp in dancehall. That come on. What happened? You tell me say wanna go sleep on the memory, wash out or sleep away. How about the man the member no more? You have a collective set of artists who kept dancehall floating. So it wasn't everyone was lacking on their music. It wasn't everyone not touring. It wasn't everyone not being received. So with a handful of artists them, we have to just say a handful because there wasn't too many artists that we had with. So we could say a handful of artists. Because we know the artists them who was doing great. People who don't know, stop their life on themselves. Artists they still out there do great. But like we just said this now. When the boss forward, no, before gas change, because the comment done forward and crush everything. You see, this is the thing. When them hear the term the comic, some man don't some man probably not think a comic book the boss are talking. Yeah. But I say about the comic book. The comic is coming, not a comic book, brother. You can't see one of my youth. No, not remember. No. You have some artists where they will have, one or few songs and they can say, all right, so like, we probably can stand up on a stage and chat two bars and, he might not can do the full set of a clash. But when it forward to a Aidonia and a Vybz Kartel, it's never a question asked. It's no different than when we have to dig up the artist, then put respect on the man, them name, Mr. Mavado. When Mr. Mavado and Mr. Vybz Kartel had they clash, it was history until today. We'll never see a clash bigger than that. So this is my question now, Harvey. Wanna feel like would happen in a clash? Mr. Aidonia and Mr. Vybz Kartel. Put some respect on him and their name. Stop with that said now, my people. Wanna know say dancehall, remember now, it already dancehall look like say boy. When a person get injured wicked and the ambulance come for him and then get CPR and he forward back and breathe back life in and alright, dancehall now. Just get your CPR. Say Cartel just bring the CPR machine and just pump up back life in a dancehall, right? Tours are going now. Big things are going on now. Big stadiums are selling out now, right? So basically life pump back in a dancehall. At this current moment right now, any artist will get to the clash with Cartel. If Cartel have the time right now to set him or clash with an artist, it never be just any. You have to be that person, right? So, it no matter where a man want to stand up on the corner and think and say, guys, your thought, you can't cuss a man, and me definitely not get nobody over that perspective or anything. This is what we can say. If you Cartel choose, we said, we're going to have a clash with Idol, right? Because it has to be an agreement. You understand? So, if he tell himself, say, him I go just deal with this right now, I one of the biggest thing in the dancehall right now. And would have still, the way we love the music and the entertainment from the artists, them, or we respect the artists that work, we would have still asked Cartel and Father touch on the stage, talking to. I mean, it's only right. Because people right now may tell us that any day Cartel and my father walk out together on the stage. Jesus have mercy. Bro God, bro God, oh yeah, nice song, oh yeah, nice song. Yes, I entertain them. Make sure some smash it like that. So I gatekeeper, it look like the audience have to wait for right now. You have to remember, it's what Foota Hype say goes, and if Foota Hype no confirm, say, yo, this clash are necessary, it's not gonna happen, no, no, say, our Foota Hype says goes in a dance hall, no, right? But remember, good no, man. I can't do that to you. Viral boss now. Put some respect on the man name now around here. Hey, so Remember, say a foot of hype boss every artist. Remember good. Yeah, that's why I about the man credits up overnight. How what happened? You don't know much artists foot of hype boss around here. So, with that said, remember, a legendary Mavado, I'm legendary killer, legendary cartel. And I did one click. So, brother, still are interested. Make we see what I go on. It's very interesting what's going on. I'm interested to see how it all turn out. No, you are going to know charge it. Make sure you smash it like, subscribe to the channel. So, we are waiting for you to clarify from my boy for that. I have to clear up this. I have to clarify this, make you know what take place. You pass it or not. Pass or pass over. We need to know if you approve the clash, bro. See me? So, until then, we are waiting for the viral boss. Yeah, so. Next, forwarding up on the program, Mr. Vegas exposed the new Hellboy. Make sure you subscribe. It's for the hype is the new Hellboy. Preach.